Yes, hello everyone, welcome back all, and today we are in Kampala, the capital city of Uganda. That is Africa, guys, or you can say East Africa. And if you're watching from Shillong, guys, kumno plong paralog. So I'm still gonna say thank you guys for coming back and watching my videos. So today episode is like we're gonna see how different or how does Kampala, the East Africa, look alike, and what can be the difference that it has with India, Northeast India, especially Meghalaya, Shillong, guys. So anyway, I am in the center, guys. You can see behind me, this is the center. This is East Africa, guys, Kampala. And yeah, to all the Shillong, Khasi viewers, guys, thank you for coming back. I always appreciate you guys for showing me love and staying loyal as one of my best subscribers. So guys, I'm involving the Khasi, the Shillong people, my amazing subscribers in my video, because in my channel, guys, most of my subscribers, they are from Shillong, Meghalaya, and I'm really so happy for them always being loyal to my channel and watching my video. So I thought today to create this amazing episode to show you the difference and how does the Kampala, the capital city of Uganda, the East Africa look alike, and maybe you can see the difference, or we don't know if we can find something similar compared to your state Shillong, guys. So anyway, I'm now diving down. This is like the center, guys, of the city, and this is the view how it look like of Kampala, guys. This video will be important for you. Make sure to watch, guys, because there is a lot of things you are going to learn in this video. Like, Kampala has 30 million population, guys. Like, there is a lot of people, I can say, here in this country, and it's a very big country, and it's so famous or known for agriculture, guys. They are very good in cultivating, and this what make this also African country one of the good country in exporting, especially food, guys, when it comes to agriculture. And I want you just to see around how the city, and you can see on my left side. Yeah, what's up?
Have you seen me?
Yeah, you are here.
Kampala from Nigeria.
Yeah, he's already promoting his he's promoting his shop, guys. So this is how the city life look like here. You can see on my left side, guys, this all there mini buses. Here they call it something like matako in a local language of Kampala, Uganda. So they use it for the transport, but the major means for transport here, guys, this is what they call it Boda, guys. Like, people use Boda here the most. And you can see the city how is so much having traffic. Like, the city, the Kampala city having a lot of traffic jam, guys, because like this is the biggest city here, and most of the stuff, like if you want the best stuff, you have to come to the city. This is what makes it a lot of traffic and a lot of people. And I choose to come on Sunday. Like, this is Sunday for now, guys. Happy Sunday to you all. And it's still, like, you can see how little bit crowded it is. And if you come on Monday, other working days, like, you will really hate it. But anyway, this is how people, like, you see the small vendors, the lifestyle here of Kampala, Uganda. And guys, what is so shocking here, like, if you come to Kampala, you see that side, just keep watching.
Keep watching, guys.
You see a lot of Indians. I saw a lot of Indians outside here, guys. And what shocked me that most of the Indians who are here in Kampala city, guys, they own a big business. Like, they own big shops for big sale, like shop for selling of electronics, especially devices, like most things related to electronics, guys. I saw Indians on it. And let's not forget, guys, you know, all Indian, how good are they when it comes to pharmacy. Most of the pharmacy shop I found outside here, guys, I'm seeing Indians there, the one owning it. And you all know how Indians are good in business, guys. So don't think Indians are not here in Africa. So I saw a lot of Indians here. And I'm not just, like, I don't want to interact with them, because here, guys, people are not camera friendly. So make sure if you come to Kampala, Uganda, guys, like you have to be minding your business, like what I'm saying. If you are filming, recording, you have to do it for yourself, because people don't love to be in the camera, especially without their permission, guys. So like I'm avoiding this. I'm also wishing and willing if I can interact with some local people here, guys, but most of people, they don't love that. They don't want to be in the camera without their permission, guys, especially in the market. So they don't care even if you're from Africa. Especially people from Africa, they're the one who face a lot of issue when they are vlogging or making videos in the city or making vlog around Uganda, guys. But for the foreigners, they are always friendly with them. Like with foreigners, guys, they are always so friendly with them. Yeah, this is, let me show you, this is Kampala, guys. This is the city. For the foreigners, like the African, most of the people here in the city, they are very friendly with them, guys. Because once they see a white person, I'm going to tell you this. Let me show you. So what happened is that, guys, when they see a white, a vlogger, like a foreigner, guys, making video, they are always friendly to them. Because, like, see, in front of me, I'm going to
Show you some Indian people, they're foreigners.
and I'm pretty sure they are from India, guys. So most of the white people, I mean foreigners, they don't face problem outside here in Kampala, because when they are coming to buy something, like the local people always know that they are going to overcharge them and they will get more profit, or they will get more money from them compared to a local person. So as someone like me, or African like me, who is blogging, guys, depending on your experience, you might face something not good, because they know, like you already know the price, the market of the price, and they cannot scam you as African, because they know, like, you know most of their prices. But the foreigners, they always be friendly with them. So if you're watching from Shillong, guys, don't worry, from India, all over India, guys, you can come to Kampala. Hey, we are also watching some talent here, guys. This guy was doing some talent. I just found this guy unexpectedly, guys. See some Kampala talent. The talent of Kampala, guys. This was unexpectedly, guys. Just know that Africans are good in football and they love football, guys. So anyway, this is the life of Kampala, guys. I am inside the city, and see how the city looks like. Like people sell different things in the market. I don't know, how do you guys, what do you guys see different here compared to your country? You can see how the way they are selling, guys, like they just write the prices down, guys. You can see the prices for the items are all written down. And in Kampala, $1 is equivalent to 3,500 Ugandan shilling, guys. See. Guys, there is something I want to tell you. Here in Kampala, in the market here, guys, there is no any written price in any product, guys. Like when you're going to buy something, what I can tell you or advise you here in this market, you have to be very good in negotiating, guys. You have to be smart. You have to be smart whenever you're buying something. you have to be very good in negotiating, guys. Because like there is no any written price. There is no any written price for any product. Like you see all those vendors, all those market down here, guys. There is no any product that has a written price. So people just sell their things according to their price, the price they wish to sell it. So to deal with that, you have to be very smart, guys. You have to be very smart, and you have to be very good in bargaining. And one tips that I learned it here in Kampala, guys, they say that let's say you're buying maybe a bowl, okay? You're buying a bowl, and they say that bowl is for 10K. So to know the actual price, you have to tell them like 5K. And if they rejected that 5K, meaning that this is not the real selling, like this is like a lose for them, okay? Because here it's very difficult for you to know the actual price. Like it's very difficult to know the actual price here. So to know the real price, you have to say the list. You have to say the list price, and if they accept that means they have no any loss on it. But if they reject, meaning that it's a loss for the business, guys. So it's very challenging to be outside here, and it's so much of traffic, guys. Like the city, the market is so much of traffic and a lot of noise. As I told you, it's having a lot of traffic because this is the only market where it does the big sale, guys. So that's why you will see a lot of people outside here. And there is something I wanted to tell you guys, like you see beside me here, like you see a lot of the major way of transport here is what they call it Boda, guys. Like you see a lot of these bikers around here. This is the most used way of transport as bike, and in Kampala they call it Boda. Why is it the most way, guys? Because here in Kampala, guys, like people, the city is so, the city is having a lot of jam and traffic, as I told you. So people use the bikes to beat the traffic, and there is other mini bus you see there. This is like for the long distance, and just know that like the Boda, those bikers, like everywhere, guys, everywhere. For me, I even think like they're even more than the car, guys. Like everywhere you go, you will just see the bikers. You just see around, guys. I'm taking you to this side, guys. In this side, you will just see a lot of thrift market. This is like a thrift market, guys. A thrift market, like the second sale, the second hand clothes sale, all this side, guys. Yeah. So this is the life, the city of Kampala, guys. So now I'm leaving, guys, and I want you guys to tell me if you're watching from Meghalaya, Shillong, guys. What have you seen different here in this city? And I don't know if you have seen something similar, guys. Let me know in the comment section. And this video was actually a request from one of our Khasi subscribers. So they requested to see, or they requested me to show them how does the Kampala or Africa look alike. Because you all know, guys, most of the people, like especially like people who are not from the African continent, they always have the misunderstanding about the Africa, guys. So because most of them, they have never been to Africa, so they don't know much about Africa. All they know is the negative thing. So I'm just showing you how does the Africa look like, especially the country Kampala, the East Africa, guys. So let me know, guys, what do you want to watch next. I'm really so happy, and I hope you love this video. So thanks to all the Khasi subscribers for staying tuned and being loyal subscribers of mine, guys. I just want to say Kublai Shibon, thank you so much, guys. So now this is the transport place, guys. So I'm leaving, and this is where I can take my transport, because now I am going to a very long distance place, guys. So I have to use this type of buses, but this is going to take long time for me to reach home because of traffic, guys. Because of traffic. But if you want to beat traffic, then you have to use what they call it Boda, guys. But Boda usually be costly because it will save time, but it needs more money, guys. But if you are not rushing, you can take this transport. This is like a bus park, guys. This is like the transport station of Kampala, and this is how their buses look like. Those mini bus, they call it Matako, guys. So I'll see you in the next episode. Feel free, tell me what to be done next, whether Khasi content or you want to see African content. Let me know in the comment section.